Most people get this wrong. They assume survey apps are fake because they've tried one or two and never reached payout. But the truth is, survey apps do pay in 2026. The real issue is people choosing the wrong platforms and expecting instant money without understanding how payouts actually work. Here's the truth no one tells you. Instant payment, in survey apps, usually means fast processing after you hit the minimum cash out, not money appearing the second you finish a survey. In this video, you'll learn the best survey apps that actually pay fast, how real users get paid, and how to avoid wasting time on low-quality platforms. Let's start with one of the most reliable options. Swagbucks is one of the most trusted survey apps in the world. It pays users for answering surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. The big advantage is consistency. Once you reach the payout threshold, many users receive PayPal payments quickly. But here's the problem. Not every survey is high-paying, so you need to focus on higher-value tasks to reach cash out faster. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inbox Dollars is another well-known app that actually pays real money. It has a simple system where you complete surveys and small tasks for cash. The minimum payout is higher than some competitors, but the platform is very beginner-friendly, especially for users like Jake who want a straightforward experience. Another strong option is Toluna Influencers. This app focuses heavily on opinion-based surveys. It is popular because it offers regular opportunities, but payout speed depends on your region and the reward method you choose. It is better for steady earnings rather than instant cash. But here's where most people fail. They try to complete every survey they see. The smart users only target higher-paying surveys and avoid screening questions that waste time. This alone can double your earnings speed. Next is Essence. This platform is known for combining surveys with small microtasks. That means more ways to earn compared to standard survey-only apps. Users like Alex often prefer it because it gives more flexibility and slightly faster cash-out opportunities, depending on activity. Finally, there are newer mobile survey platforms that offer PayPal and gift card payouts with lower thresholds. These are useful for beginners, but always check reviews before investing your time. So here's the simple takeaway. The best survey apps that pay instantly in 2026 are not truly instant in the literal sense. They are fast, reliable platforms with low cash-out limits and consistent payment systems. If you choose the right apps and focus on high-value surveys, you can actually reach real payouts much faster than most people expect. If this helped you understand how survey apps really work, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.